So definitely one issue here right now is the fly situation. So there's a lot of flies. It's only like 2 months out of the year where they're drying fish and they're fertilizing and stuff. It is a bit of an issue to go out and eat here with the flies.
Everything's outdoor eating.
Yeah, everything's outdoor eating. So if we wanted to go and eat indoors, we would have about a 20-25 minute drive because we are way up in the top of Sri Lanka and there's not so much stuff here, really. Dave and I are headed to the Windy Waves restaurant for supper tonight.
We Googled restaurants and it came up good, didn't it?
Yeah, we had a 5-star rating on this. It's a lot of seafood. Should be really, really good. So a nice little treat for you guys. The gentleman offered to show us some of these cabanas here, so we're gonna go ahead and show you one of them. Hold on. So as you first enter, we've got mosquito nets and it's very eco-friendly and stuff. We're gonna look at the outside here. Hold on. Outdoor bathroom. This is the shower head. This is so cool. So this is their lunch menu. It's a little bit more abbreviated than the dinner menu. You can see the prices and what they offer here. He said that their dinner is actually fully booked. He has reservations. Everybody's taking the spots, so that's a good sign. It must be a really good place. And this is the dinner menu, and you can see it's a lot more complete. They have a lot more seafood options. Look at this seafood platter, which is actually what Dave and I are going to get. And we're going to share a burger as well. So we're going to get the beef and bacon cheeseburger. And you can see they've got lobster. Oh my goodness, what a selection. And it's on the next page here.
Just the drinks.
All kinds of drinks as well.
And then desserts.
We have with us this little dog here. You can tell he's been in a fight or two recently. He's still got some bleeding and stuff going on, poor little thing. But he must feel pretty safe. He just came over and walked and laid down underneath our table. Now that's a platter, and that's a burger. So Dave and I just finished our dinner. It was very, very good. What did you think, Dave?
I'm telling you, the food was fantastic.
Yeah, really good seafood here. I had a burger, and it was a really big burger. I'm pretty stuffed. I hardly could eat the whole thing. It looks like we're getting some rain. We'll be driving our scooter back to the hotel in the rain a little bit, and we got to find our way back. I think it's this way, Dave.
Yep.